The powered roller shutter in the Ranger Wildtrak makes it easy to keep your items secure. The bedliner side rails contain channels, so you can customize the tray with aftermarket accessories. The roller shutter is activated via the button on the driver's side dash, the key fob, or the switch in the load box. It's incredibly secure and can't be activated when the vehicle is locked. Pressing any of the buttons or double-clicking the key fob stops the roller shutter. Activating it again sends it in the reverse direction. If something gets in the way of the shutter closing, the anti-pinch function activates and sends the shutter in the opposite direction. To keep your roller shutter in top shape, keep the side rails clear and clean. And to maintain performance over time, apply either PTFE or silicone-based lubricant into either side of the canister. In the case of snow or ice buildup, the anti-pinch function can prevent normal operation. You can override this using the ice brake function. Simply hold either the dash or load box switch for at least 3 seconds and continue to do so until the system has broken free of any ice. Whether you're using it for work or play, the Wildtrak Power Roller Shutter has you covered.